In what came as a major surprise, Keir Starmer's Labour Party has registered a landslide victory in the UK general election, with incumbent Prime Minister Rishi Sunak's Conservative Party being dethroned. In the 650-member House of Commons, there were quite a lot of Indian origin politicians who made it to this Indian version of the Lok Sabha. Now, who are some of these politicians? Let's take a look. At number 1, we have the incumbent Prime Minister Rishi Sunak. While Rishi Sunak retained his seat from Northern England, his Conservative Party conceded defeat in general elections after the Labour Party cruised to victory, winning 378 seats. The first British Asian Prime Minister, Rishi Sunak, is the son-in-law of Infosys co-founder Narayana Murthy and has been the Prime Minister of the UK since October 2022. He previously held 2 cabinet positions under Boris Johnson, including Chancellor of the Exchequer from 2020 to 2022. Sunak served as the Member of Parliament for Richmond Yorks from 2015 to 2024 and has represented Richmond and North Allerton since 2024. At number 2, we have Preet Kaur Gill. She is the first British Sikh female MP who was re-elected from Birmingham Edgbaston in 2019. She is a member of the Labour Party and serves as the Shadow Minister for Primary Care and Public Health. At number 3, we have Preeti Patel. This Gujarati origin politician served as Home Secretary from 2019 to 2022. Patel, a member of the Conservative Party, has been an MP for Witham since 2010. Former Home Secretary Preeti Patel has retained her Witham seat in Essex, taking 37.2% of the vote to beat the Labour Party candidate into second place. At number 4, we have Gagan Mohindra. Born into a Punjabi Hindu family, Mohindra is a member of the Conservative Party. He has been re-elected from South West Herts in the UK general election. Gagan won with 16,458 votes, with Liberal Democrat Sally Symington coming second with 12,002 votes. His parents, both from Punjab, immigrated to the United Kingdom before Mohindra was born. His paternal grandfather served in the British Indian Army. At number 5, we have Kanishka Narayan. Labour Party's Kanishka Narayan has become the first MP from Wales from a minority ethnic background. Born in India, Narayan moved to Cardiff at age 12. He earned a scholarship to Eton, studied at Oxford and Stanford, and then became a civil servant. Narayan served as a civil servant in the Cabinet Office under David Cameron and in the Environment Department under Liz Truss. He has also worked in the private sector, providing financial advice to businesses. Additionally, Narayan has volunteered with Citizens Advice and the Trussell Trust. At number 6, we have Navendu Mishra, a member of the Labour Party. Mishra has won from the Stockport constituency. He had secured the seat in the 2019 elections also. His mother comes from Gorakhpur while his father is from Kanpur in Uttar Pradesh. Navendu Mishra has been re-elected as MP with 21,787 votes. This seat has returned a Labour MP in every election since 1992. At number 7, we have Lisa Nandi, a Labour Party member. Nandi comfortably retained her Wigan seat, which she has held since 2014 with 19,401 votes. She is the daughter of Deepak Nandi, a Kolkata-born academic known for his work in race relations in Britain. A member of the Labour Party, she has represented Wigan since 2010. At number 8, we have Suella Braverman. The Indian origin politician has won from Fareham and Waterloo seats. During the last cabinet rejig of Sunak-led government, Braverman had stoked controversy with his statement that Metropolitan Police were lenient with pro-Palestine supporters. However, she was replaced by James Cleverly as Interior Minister. A member of the Conservative Party, she served as chair of the European Research Group from 2017 to 2018 and as Attorney General for England and Wales from 2020 to March 2021 and again from September 2021 to 2022. She was the MP for Fareham from 2015 until 2024. At number 9, we have Shivani Raja. She won the Leicester East seat, taking it from the Labour Party. The contest included notable candidates such as former MPs Claude Webb and Keith Vaz, who ran as independents. Raja, a Leicester native, studied at Herrick Primary, Soar Valley College and Wixton and Queen Elizabeth I College. She graduated with first-class honours in cosmetic science from De Montfort University. At number 10, we have Tanmanjeet Singh Desi. The Sikh leader has been re-elected as MP from Slough. Tanmanjeet Singh Desi is the first ever turbaned Sikh MP of the British Parliament. While we spoke about the Indian origin MPs who made it back to the House of Commons, we have another name to add to the list. Labour Party's Sojan Joseph from Kerala's Kottayam district defeated Damian Green of the Conservative and Unionist Party with a majority of 1,779 votes in the Ashford constituency. If you want to know more about Sojan Joseph, please check out the link for a detailed video in the description. That's it for now. For more such updates, keep watching our channel. This is Afreen Hussain for India Today So South.